Dr. Brad Hannon here with another one of my MET Foundations of Health videos, where I am teaching you how to move right, eat right, and think right. In this video, I will be discussing breathing. One topic you may not think of when we are discussing living a healthy lifestyle is breathing. Many people hold their breath without even realizing it. Most Americans are what we call chest breathers. Breathing through your chest, we start to use other muscles to elevate the rib cage, and this creates a lot of tightness and tension, especially in and around the neck and the clavicle area. So I want to keep this very simple. Breathe. Take some good deep breaths in periodically throughout your day. Breathe in through your diaphragm or your belly. Hold it, breathe all the way out, pause, and repeat. Do this multiple times per day, especially before meals and when feeling stressed. One way to practice this is to lay down on your back, put one hand on your belly, one hand on your chest. Breathe in so only the hand on your belly moves. Remember, when you want to feel your best, think MET. How are you moving? How are you eating? And how are you thinking? And this can steer you in the right direction to achieve a healthier you.